This is a zeiss ikon cross lock. It's not a hard lock to get into. I'm just having a hard time getting it on camera because I can't seem to figure out a camera angle where the autofocus doesn't just keep blurring it. So I'm going to use a Law Lock Tools 39,000 pry bar in the bottom of the keyway, and then a Peterson Standard in 25. So click out a 1 on the right, nothing on 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, click out a 1 on the left, maybe hit 1 up top, little click, and then it goes into a false set. So this thing has a spool in the last spot, but the thing about it is it doesn't like to manually, or it doesn't like to counter rotate, so I have to do it manually. Let's see, I'm going to switch my tension tool over here, and we're going to start on top. Alright, got a little click out of something, and it's overset. Okay. Alright, got a little bit more of a full set. So again, same deal. I'm going to set it over here. I'm going to try to make sure I'm on the pin. So, and then we got it open. It's open. Let me make sure those locking pawls go all the way in. But, yep, that is the zeiss ikon cross lock.